In this video, I will guide you through a simple yet spiritually powerful way to perform Lakshmi Puja at home. Diwali, also called Deepavali, marks the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. On this sacred day, we welcome Goddess Lakshmi, the divine energy of wealth, grace, and abundance. It also celebrates Sri Ram's return to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana, symbolizing the homecoming of righteousness and divine light. Traditionally, we perform Lakshmi Puja with our families to invite peace, prosperity, and good fortune into our lives. But today, our world has changed. Many of us live alone in apartments or miles away from our families. Yet, the beauty of Sanatan Dharma is that rituals are not about grandeur, they are about intention and devotion. Even a simple puja performed with a pure heart carries deep spiritual power. So let's begin a simple and soulful way to do Lakshmi Puja for Diwali. Start by cleaning your home or puja corner. It is said Goddess Lakshmi resides where there is purity and harmony. As you clean, imagine removing old energy, negativity, and clutter, creating space for abundance, both in your physical space and in your mind. You don't need much. Look for items from the list I'm sharing that you can easily arrange and skip what you can't. It's your devotion that truly matters, not the things. Picture or small idols of Goddess Lakshmi and Bhagwan Ganesh, a few coins or any gold silver item, incense sticks, diya, ghee, flowers and fruits, sweets or any prasad that you can easily make, kumkum and haldi, kalash or glass of water. For kalash, you need 1 coconut, 5 mango leaves, betel nut, akshat raw rice grains, a coin, water, marigold flowers. If you can't arrange marigold flowers and betel nut, just add the rest 3 items, water, coin and akshat. Choose the brightest, most peaceful, preferably east corner of your house. Put a red or yellow cloth. These are the colors that represents energy and prosperity. Decorate with rangoli, fresh flowers and lit diyas. Even if you're abroad, a simple tea light candle or electric diya can carry the same intention. Place Ma Lakshmi and Ganesh Bhagwan in the center of the puja space and Kalash right in front of them. Why worship Ganesha with Ma Lakshmi? Have you ever wondered that? Ganesh Bhagwan represents wisdom, removes obstacles, and helps us manage wealth wisely. And so he is always worshipped with goddess of wealth, Ma Lakshmi. You can also place coins or jewelry before Lakshmi as a symbol of your wealth energy. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath. First of all, feel gratitude for what you have and openness for what's coming. Now lit the incense and diya. When you light the diya, chant this mantra. न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकम नीमा विद्युतो भाति कुतो यमग्निः तमेव भान्तम अनुभाति सर्वम tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. This beautiful mantra is from the Mandukya Upanishad, which means the light of the sun, moon, stars, and earthly fire are all dependent on a higher, self-manifesting light or consciousness, ultimately signifying that the physical light is a symbol of the greater light of knowledge and consciousness. Offer flowers and sweets to Bhagwan. Remember, it's not the quantity but the feeling of gratitude that matters. Always begin by praying to Ganesh Bhagwan, the remover of obstacles. For Ganesh Bhagwan, chant this mantra. Shri Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada, which means, O Bhagwan Ganesh, with a curved trunk and a mighty form whose brilliance is equal to 1,000,000 suns, please remove all obstacles from my path, always and in all endeavors. Or you can simply chant Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. For Lakshmi Ma, you chant this mantra Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. You chant this at least 108 times, or maybe 3 times, 11 times, or 21 times. Again, what matters is your true devotion. This mantra, Lakshmi mantra, aligns your energy with the vibration of abundance and grace. Now sit in silence and meditate on Ma Lakshmi. Imagine her radiant presence filling your heart and home with peace, prosperity, and divine grace. Let her energy awaken gratitude and a sense of true abundance within you. You can find all these mantra chants and guided meditations on my channel. Now light diyas near your main entrance to welcome Goddess Lakshmi into your home. Keep at least 1 diya burning all night, if possible. This symbolizes eternal light and wisdom. If you are in business, you can worship your new account book or laptop to invite success. This is called Chopta Pujan. Lakshmi Puja is not just about calling wealth into your life, it's about recognizing that true prosperity that begins with inner peace, gratitude, and light within your heart. Even if you live alone, even if you are far from home, remember, when you light that single diya with pure devotion, the entire cosmos lights up with you for you. May this Diwali fill your life with abundance, love, and divine blessings. Wishing you all Shubh Deepavali. Watch my next video, the 108 times Kubir Ashtalakshmi mantra for wealth and well-being. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Subscribe for more spiritual guides, Vedic shlokas and chants, mantra meditations and simple Vedic living. Hari Om.